Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just doing our relaxing come shop with me at Costco video. So sit back, enjoy what I have in my Costco, and I will see you at the end. These glass lock containers that I am showing you now, these are the absolute best containers ever. I have 2 sets of them. They are definitely worth the money for freezer, fridge, any type of storage. It's worth the investment. These shelves here are the ones that I am thinking about getting to do my seed starts next year. Gorilla shelf is the one that I have in my pantry that I have all of my canned goods on, and it's an amazing shelf, worth the money. here is my little mini haul. I usually get more than this from Costco, but this one was just to get a couple things. So we have some frozen vegetables. This is broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower. And then just bananas. We always get bananas when we go to Costco. Those are our favorite bananas for some reason. They always have the best bananas. Then I ended up getting the bread that we always get at Costco. And this is the Ace Bakery Bistro sourdough bread. And usually we have this at night with jam. And I toast them and then I cut them in little strips and then we dip them in jam. It's weird, but that's what we have been doing with it lately. And then I have the Bistro multigrain one, which I thought would be kind of interesting too. So I got that one today. That's going to be a new one for us to have. So I got 2 breads. Just got 1 cream because we might need that before I have to go back again. And then we got these pork side ribs. Terry got a smoker for my dad. My dad made him a smoker for Christmas a couple years ago, and he wants to use it and start getting it ready for the summer. So we just picked up some cheap pork side ribs that we can marinate and put in the smoker to see how that goes. So I will marinate these ones with you. I'll probably end up doing that tomorrow. So I'll put the rub on them. We'll marinate them together before they go into the smoker. And we'll go through that process when we smoke them. And we'll take you along with it as well. So that was just a mini haul. I ended up getting some herbs as well. And just a tray there as well to put in my herb garden. And I will put that video in. I picked up some herbs while I was there. I got some thyme, some mint, some oregano, and some rosemary from Costco. Just one of the 4 planters of mixed mint. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Like if you do, subscribe if you can, share if you want, and I will see you in my next one.